I am Bharti. Welcome to the EduBulletin, the online news platform for all the latest educational updates. Let's see the highlights of the day. CBSE releases the date sheet for Class 10 and 12 students who missed their board exams due to participation in national and international sports events. Class 10 exams will be held from April 7th to 11th, while Class 12 exams are scheduled for 11th April 2025. The board will issue fresh admit cards to the students soon. NCERT uploads the official catalogue for textbooks for the 2025-26 academic session. Schools, students, and educators can now access the list of prescribed books for the upcoming year. NCERT launches the Bridge program for grades 1, 3, 5, 6 and 8 to help students transition to the new curriculum under NEP 2020, NCFFS 2022 and NCFSE 2023. The program focuses on competency-based learning and engaging activities. The National Testing Agency begins registrations for the SWAYAM 2025 semester exams, offering 594 courses in engineering, humanities, social sciences, management, and more. Interested students and professionals can apply at swayam.nta.ac.in on or before 21st April. IIT Delhi invites Class 11, Class 12, and first-year undergraduate students to apply for the Change Makers 2025 Summer Boot Camp on Sustainability and Innovation. This 3-week program, 2 weeks online and 1 week on campus, offers hands-on learning, mentorship from IIT Delhi faculty and students, and access to R&D facilities. Interested students can apply through IIT Delhi's official website. 2 teachers from a government school in Begur, Bangalore suspended for allegedly forcing students to clean toilets. The incident, which occurred in January, came to light after videos and photos went viral. Police have registered a case under the Juvenile Justice Act and are conducting an investigation into the matter. Uttar Pradesh government announces a major initiative to modernize non-government aided secondary Sanskrit schools under Project Alankar. As part of this, 11 Sanskrit schools across 7 districts will get new classrooms, renovations, smart classrooms, science labs, and improved infrastructure. A viral Reddit post claims that a Class 10 student in India made more than 1.5 lakh rupees in just 2 months by building and selling websites using AI tools without any coding skills. His success highlights how AI can create new business opportunities. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the EduBulletin. Save the number 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.